How to use Claude AI to write songs for Suno AI. So first of all, you come to this page, which is Claude AI, and you write, give me lyrics about a grizzly bear. Of course, you're gonna choose what you want. Writing a grizzly bear, drinking milk, or a song using Suno AI. Now, as you can see, he opens this tab where he writes the lyrics, and he also gonna explain to you what the song is about. So you take the text, you copy, then you go to Suno AI. Over here, if you are in the home page, go to create, go to custom, and it says write the lyrics. And then you tell him what kind of style you want, hip hop, classic, depends what you want. Let's say hip hop. And then give it a name. Let's take the name over here. And that's it. Now you can create. Then it's gonna generate 2 songs and you can pick one of them. You can also change the lyrics if you want here, or tell him to generate you different types of lyrics for a song. So yeah, that's how you use both AIs to make a song.